Through Ivans Exchange, carriers and MGAs can quickly analyze download adoption rates by individual agency, individual lines of business, and for all of agency partners, enabling carriers to instantly evaluate opportunities to increase their agency connectivity and automation. Ivans Exchange provides you with a 12-month trend chart showing the number of agencies and transactions per download type for your company or from the industry. You'll find this information on the third tab on your Ivans Exchange dashboard titled Trends. The default view is for all lines of business. However, you can filter all three graphs by personal lines, commercial lines, activity notes, claims, and direct bill commission download to see how the trends change by transaction type. The first graph illustrates industry trends for the overall number of carriers that are sending download for each in the past 12 months. Simply hover over a bar to see the count for any month. The middle and bottom graphs illustrate the activity level over the past 12 months for agencies receiving download and the number of transactions. These graphs each represent an industry view. To see information for your company alone, simply select your company code from the drop-down menu. The export function includes details on all three graphs and provides you with industry data as well as all individual lines of business that you support. The graph on the right represents the agency count and transaction count for the various agency management systems represented by your agency base. To view overall data for each management system, you can hover over that slice. Export to Excel to see the agency and transaction counts for each management system by product.